So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a practice that involves touch. Okay, so where you use your hands as a vehicle to help a child breathe more. Okay, and then what I'm going to invite you to do is to find somebody to do the same thing with. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my hand on her hand and on her shoulder, just to help her really feel connected to the ground underneath her. And oftentimes it's just happened, her breath changed. Okay, then I'm going to put my hand just above her body and just see what happens. So her breath is beginning to slow down a little bit. So now I'm going to put my hands onto her rib cage. And as she exhales, I'm going to put some pressure on. And I release the pressure as she breathes in. So if you have a child who's breathing here and you want to get the breath to here, you can't just put the hand there, it's too far to go. So here is the middle part where you want to take the breath down. That's the idea here. So you can see she's getting a bit more breath here than she had before. I can also bring my hands onto the sides of her rib cage. And as she breathes out, I'm going to squeeze a little bit. Some people it's very sensitive to put your hands here, so you can bring your hands on the outside if that's the case. Now you can see the difference in her breath. Does that feel different? So that's one practice.